Friends, good day. In this video, I want to demonstrate the possibilities of trading options on a fairly popular crypto exchange, Huobi. At the end, I will draw conclusions about how interesting such trading is. I will tell you in details about this exchange. Subscribe to our channel on options trading. I believe that our channel contains the most complete information about this type of trading. There will be a lot of interesting videos in the future, although there are plenty of them now. So, let's get started, shall we? In the derivatives tab, everything is simple. Choose options. After loading, this page opens. And now an interesting moment. We can see European option spread and American options. Let me remind you of the difference between European and American options. American options can be exercised before expiration, while European options are exercised only on the day of expiration. I suggest starting with American options. They are simpler. Let's review the interface as well. On the right side, you can select a call or put option. I, for example, choose the call option. Here I'll select the basic asset of the option. I also see a chart. This is probably the spot chart of the BTC USDT. You can choose BTC, Bitcoin, or Ether USDT. We're going to be working with Bitcoin today. This is, I think, a spot chart or an index chart. Again, on the right side, I'm going to select call options. Strike price. I see some prompts, but I can enter my own value. I think I enter, 30,000? And let the option expiration be at the end of this week. For now, it's simple. Quantity will be 1 Bitcoin. Now we have to request a quote. Okay, let's do that. Let's see. Yes, we got a quote for this option. The option premium is 127 USDT. I guess this service is pretty limited, because there's only one button here, buy. There's no option to sell here. The service is pretty bare bone. There is no possibility to create different orders. It turns out the client can choose the type of option, expiration date, and strike price, and calculate the resulting premium of his option. I can only click on the buy button, and that's it. Maybe the option can be sold after the purchase. Wait, hold on. I see a field at the bottom. I guess the order should show up here. But I can't get into a short position. I can't sell the option. I can't build a strategy either. If you go to the list of assets and select, for example, options, the window will open. Here you can make a transaction of money and finance the purchase of an option. Okay. All the data I entered has been reset. I'm going to re-enter it now. I'm just wondering how much an option like this might be worth here. Hopefully you are too. The quote has changed to almost $119 for 1 Bitcoin of strike 30. Now let's see how much this option would be worth on the AE exchange. So give me a couple of seconds. I'll find it. Theoretical price is $36, which means it's 3 times cheaper than on Huobi. Now that's what I call a business model. An option that's worth $36 sells for 3 times that price. Why not? Unbelievable. Notice, all the numbers are the same as on the AE exchange. Absolutely. I hope you all get the point. It's a very strange service that sells options at 3 times the price. What else is there to see? I see the Greeks. Here's the delta. It is 7. I see Vega, Gamma, Theta. It doesn't matter. I get it. They're selling options to clients at 3 times the price. Now let's move on to European option spreads. In the panel on the right, you can select call spread and put spread. Okay, let's choose the call spread. The lower price is strike 29,000. The top price is strike 30,000. So far, this is a typical vertical call spread. I suggest we pick the same expiration date as the last time. What's the quote we got? $177. Maximum profit is displayed. The maximum profit, if the option is free, 1,000. The leverage was also calculated, 5.63. Okay. In the end, $177 we lose. Maximum we can get is $1,000. Again, we can only click on the buy button and get the European spread. Now let's look at the real value of this option on the AE exchange. Give me a couple of seconds, I'll enter the right data. Done. The vertical spread is ready. And now I want to figure out which it's worth. For the call option, we paid 152 minus 34. So we got 118. $118 we paid for this spread. The maximum profit is 1000 minus 118. And now I'm going back to the Huobi. Well, fair enough. 50% more. That's more expensive than a regular call option. I can buy a call option cheaper for $162. And the glass bar confirms it. On the Huobi Exchange, the price is too high for a spread, when you can buy a simple call option cheaper. Good business model you got here, guys. It's for those who don't want to click anything in the terminal. The lazy pay more. However, this is the problem of Huobi, not mine. Not everyone understands option, and it seems people indeed ready to pay. I want to change the volatility in the AE terminal to check something. Yep, I got it. You buy options at Huobi with higher volatility. There's nothing else to see here, except for one last tab. As I understand, it's investments. It appears to be some kind of screener that shows high-income options, and they're asking us here to get in on the action. But I hope you know that all these scanners, screeners, they don't offer anything useful. They tell you that some options have gone up in price. Sometimes they offer clients to buy a subscription, and clients will get the data from different sources. And then the client finds out that an option has gone up in price. And so what? It's too late. It's gone up. And the probability of quick re-rise is extremely low. I think all these things are useless. It's like binary options, the same nonsense. And now I will summarize everything about Totally Exchange of Totally Options, Huobi. I respect Justin-san, but he should pay attention to this ridiculous service. There is no options trading here. There is only a calculator that offers options that 3 times more expensive. For me, this service is not interesting at all. Maybe someone who has never worked with options accidentally came in, accidentally clicked on the buy button here. In the AE terminal, you can calculate the real value of options. This service is weak. The guys need to do something about it. And that's the end of the video. If you thought I was wrong or made a mistake, please correct me in the comments. Write in the comments what exchanges you want me to visit. Give me a like if you liked the video. Ask questions and good luck. Successful options trading.